Yes, good morning to all of you. Suraj Education Group welcomes you. I am Dr. Pankaj, and today we are discussing about one of the most important topic for NEET examination, that is in case of liverworts, hornworts, mosses, what is the nature of sporophytic body and how spore dispersal takes place. So we are discussing about bryophytes, how spore dispersal takes place in the bryophytes and what is the nature of sporophytic body of bryophytes. So this one is known as liverworts. These are known as liverworts. You know very well about, they possess liver-like structure, and one of the most important example, that is Marchantia, dorsiventral thallus. They possess dorsiventral thallus. दो थैलस इसमें हमें नजर आने वाले हैं. Next, hornworts means horn-like structure. One of the common example, that is the example of hornworts, that is Anthoceros. Next, third, these are known as mosses, and one of the common example of mosses, that is Sphagnum, peat moss, Funaria. Okay, so this one is the sporophytic body of liverworts, and they possess foot, seta, and capsule. Next, in case of hornworts, they possess foot and capsule, but one of the important and interesting point, seta are absent in case of hornworts. Hornworts में सीटा नहीं देखने को मिलते हैं. And now another interesting point, that is in capsule of hornworts they possess a strile structure, that is columella. So mostly they reproduce through the gametophytic body. Okay, ये gametophytic body से reproduce करते हैं because of the presence of strile structure, that is columella. Always be remember that the columella is absent in case of liverworts, columella is absent in case of mosses, columella is present in case of hornworts. So due to the presence of this strile structure, it is commonly reproduced through with the help of gametophytic phase. Next, this one is the diagram of moss, and in case of moss it possesses foot, seta, as well as capsule, and the capsule contain SMC, that is spore mother cell, जिसमें meiosis हमें देखने को मिलेगी. Next point, this one is the spore dispersal. How spore dispersal takes place in case of bryophytes? Very important topic for NEET examination. The spore dispersal in case of bryophytes, in case of Marchantia, takes place with the help of special elongated structure called elaters, and these elaters contains two hygroscopic bands, water loving in nature. They are basically water loving in nature. Next point, in case of hornworts, basically they possess pseudo elaters. Pseudo elater means false elaters because hygroscopic bands are absent in case of hornworts. Instead of hygroscopic band, they possess pyrenoids. Okay, and in case of mosses, spore dispersal takes place with the help of very important question, the teeth-like structure you can see, that is peristome teeth. So these are the one of the most important question, how spore dispersal takes place in case of liverworts, in case of hornworts, in case of mosses. So again I am repeating, the spore dispersal takes place in case of Marchantia, that is through elaters, elongated structure. And what is the ploidy of elaters? How elaters are formed? So elaters are basically formed if meiosis not takes place in SMC. If meiosis takes place in SMC, it is converted into N condition. But if meiosis not occurs in SMC, that is spore mother cell, then elaters are formed, and the ploidy of elaters, that is 2N, diploid in nature because of the absence of meiosis. And these are the pseudo elaters. Hygroscopic bands are absent, water loving bands are absent, and these are known as peristome teeth. So peristome teeth का क्या फंक्शन होगा, ये ओपरकुलम क्या है, कैलिप्ट्रा क्या है, ये अपकमिंग क्लासेस में हम डील करेंगे. थैंक यू.